There's a lot more manatees in here today than were there last night. And you can kind of see them, or at least their backs. There's one over there getting her breath, going back down.
No. I'd like to get one that was coming out of the water.
Yeah.
They have to breathe, yeah. Mammal, yeah.
He's so little.
Lots of them in here today.
One's just gone underneath him. Look at the baby. It's coming out. I know, I don't have my phone out. I wish I did.
It looks almost like a seal's face, doesn't it?
A little bit.
Yeah, there's one that just came up.
Oh yeah.
It is.
This particular little area contains the mother manatees and their babies. And this is the nursery pond. They will come in with their babies, and some will stay back and watch all the kids while other ones go other places to feed. And then they will come back and they'll watch the babies, and the bunch that stayed back before will go on and feed someplace else.